about estimating regression parameters, how they work, and what applications they could be used for in the real world. Regression analysis is a powerful tool that allows the examination between variables of interest. Regression analysis is a great way to find trends in data that would otherwise be hard to see if it were just data on the table. Using the simple linear regression model, we are able to know what the parameters are for the data given as well as a line of best fit. The simple linear regression model of y, which is the mean of y, is equal to beta naught plus x times beta 1 plus e being the variance of the line the y can vary. Beta naught and beta 1 are the parameters where beta naught is the y-intercept and beta 1 is the slope. Beta naught can be seen as the true mean of y when x is equal to 0, and beta 1 can be seen as the change in the mean of y for a 1 unit increase in x. This may still be confusing to some people, so the way I see the regression model is just the slope of the line in the formula that we all remember being y is equal to mx plus b. We just changed the variables. We can see a randomly plotted graph with a line of best fit run through it. That line represents our equation of y is equal to beta naught plus x times beta 1 plus the variance in y. We can see that when x is equal to 0, that is when our true mean of y occurs. Beta 1 is shown as x increases by however many units. If x is 3 units, then the problem would be read 3 times beta 1. Also, our linear regression model says that the variance of y is the same at every value of x. So by plotting our points, we are able to get the line of best fit, which allows us to get an estimate of what our parameters will be by finding the slope and y-intercept. Now, we can see an example of how estimating regression parameters can apply to the real world and show us why it is important. The graph shows the profit of a product that has been in the market, where the x is the amount of time it has been in the market and the y being the profit made. As we can see, the beta naught or the y-intercept here would be around $700,000. So that would be seen as a profit of the first week it has been released to the market. The beta 1 would be however many units of x times the slope of the line. This is important to know for a company because it could show the projected trend and outcome of the product at hand and can show how well it is doing in the market. These parameters are important to know because it gives information behind the decisions made at an executive levels of business. You want to know where your product is going to end and how it will do in the market. You don't want to just go in blind and make these decisions because that will just hurt your product and hurt your company.